everybody, my name is Momo. I'm from Guangxi province, and today I would like to show you how to make one of my favorite dish.
Vermicelli, soybean sauce, Enoki mushroom, scallop, garlic sauce, oyster sauce, chili oil. Put the vermicelli into water for about 10 minutes to make it softer. Get a piece of tin foil, put it on a baking tray. First, put the soft vermicelli in. Second, Enoki mushroom. And then scallops. Let's make the sauce. First, we get some water and put garlic sauce, soybean sauce, oyster sauce, and chili oil. And then mix them. If the flavor isn't strong enough, we can add a little bit salt. Pour it into a baking tray. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Bake for 20 minutes. Done.
What do you think of the scallops?
Scallop is good.
And how about the Enoki mushrooms?
A little garlic taste and a little spicy.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Maybe you should cook it a little bit longer.
No, it's just right.
Okay. How many score will you give me?
I'll give you 8.8 out of 10.